Very good day to all. I'm K.Bakiyaraj, working as assistant professor at the Department of MBA at Dr. S.N.S. Rajaraksham College of Arts and Science. To the last previous class, we were discussed the topic about two different concepts. First, a component is about the marketing. One is the first element we were discussed about the product, the different type of classification of the product. Second topic we were discussed about how the market has been segmented, about the market segmentation. So now we are going to discuss the topic about the pricing. So define the term as the pricing. So every pricing is one of the main important factor of every manufacturer or the producers of to determine the right pricing methods. So before getting into the pricing, so a company, how the company will determine the right fixation of the pricing. So what do you mean by the term as a pricing? So pricing is fixation of the nominal rate for the setting and the product that is acceptable by the consumers or accepted by the consumers or the customers is set based on price. So the price is getting into the amount of the money is charged for the product or the services, or some of the values that the customer engage for the benefits of having or using the product or the services. So this is one we call as in price. And what are the important the pricing objective is? One is the survival in the market, one to retain the maximum current profit, and to impress or to pull the market share, and how they will raise the market skimming, and how they good in about the product quality and very good in leadership. So these are all the some important the pricing objectives. Now we are going to discuss what are the different factors that could determine the pricing. So there are the two different factors has been considered for to fixing the pricing. One is the internal factors. Second one is external factors. So what do you mean by the term internal factors? Internal factors are generally well within the control of the organization is said to be internal factors. One is the determined by the cost of the product, and second one is about the firm's objectives or firm vision and the mission, and the third one is about the different type of product differentiation or different qualities or size or packaging, and fourth important main factors of pricing is about the management attitude. So these all the factors has comes under the internal factors. And now, second, what are the defined by the second external factors? Or external factors are generally beyond to the control of an organization, is set to be in external factors, and the factor is set to be in based upon the demand, or the based upon the competition, or based upon the suppliers, or based upon the consumer or the buying motives, and based upon the government policies and norms. So these all the some factor has been determined based upon the external factors. And now we are going to discuss about very important how the pricing has been generated, or different what are the different type of pricing approaches is in market. The first approach is said to be as in cost based pricing. Second one is the value based pricing, and the third one is the competition based pricing. So what do you mean by the term is the cost based pricing? A pricing method in which the fixed sum of or percentage of the total cost is added to the cost of the product to arrive at selling price. And the cost based pricing usually for adopted for the manufacturing or the production cost, or based upon a basis for the pricing. So this one we call as a cost base. Cost base is what actually expense has been incurred for the total entire production is calculated based upon this pricing as cost based pricing methods. And second one is about the value based pricing. So what is mean value based pricing? So the value based has been given by the customer perspective approaches. Say for example, the customers will determine the right fixing based upon the quality, or based upon the product, based upon some availability of in the markets. So this is a term to be priced where the pricing based upon the value of the product as perceived by the customer perspectives. So the perceived value determined by the customer's willingness to pay, and the maximum price of the companies will change into the product. So the value-based pricing company consider the value in the product and services to the cost of the company incurred to create the product list. So this is one we call as in value-based pricing. And third one is about the competition-based pricing. So marketers will fix the pricing based upon the competition. based upon the similar products or similar services of the business, which all the attributes has comes under the remain to the similar. So every marketers or the producers or the manufacturers will fixing the pricing based upon the competition based pricing. So these are all the different type of the pricing methods and norms. Thank you so much for the attention.